The ENESKAair system from Joki is a special compressed air system with high-speed handpieces. Especially when very fine work needs to be done, large, heavy, and very powerful pneumatic grinders are unsuitable. Due to their strength and weight, they are difficult to handle and control. The ENESKAair is specially developed for extremely precise work and is therefore often used in medical technology, among other things. Although the device has little power, more is not necessary for fine work. The special advantage of the handpieces lies in their speed of 320,000 RPM. At this speed, milling cutters can be guided with perfect fineness and cleanness. The minimal air consumption of 35 liters per minute and the low noise level of less than 75 decibels ensure economical and relaxed working. The control unit has connections for two handpieces, for example the straight and the 90-degree angle handpiece. You can switch between both handpieces with just the push of a button. They can be easily controlled using a foot switch. The handpieces weigh only 71 grams and can be held like a ballpoint pen. Even working for hours is therefore possible without any fatigue. With the quick ejection, you can change tools in no time. The system therefore meets all the requirements that must be met for very fine work. If you have any questions about the product, please contact us or visit our shop.